The life of a dog. It's no fun being a dog sometimes. If you're a human, this is probably surprising to hear. Humans think our lives are carefree. What do dogs have to worry about? They think. We don't have to buy our own food. We don't have to go to school. Humans think all we do is lie around all day and get petted all night. It sounds pretty nice, doesn't it? Well, I'm here to tell you that it just isn't that easy. First of all, I live in captivity. Sure, I'm free to wander all over the house, but I can't go outside when I want to. I've tried, but my paws can't work the doorknob. When my owners walk in the door at night, I'm usually frantic. It's not because I'm so happy to see them, it's because I'm so darn bored. For another thing, it can be pretty lonely. Just the other day, my owner took me for a walk. We passed the most attractive girl dog I have ever seen. I would have loved to stop and talk to her. I might have even asked her out on a date. We could have gone to the dog park together. But no, my owner had something else to do. And what was it? What was so vastly important that I could not spend time with the love of my life? My owner had to check his email for the 5th time that day. But I know how to handle my owners. I have them well trained. I can almost always coax a doggy snack out of them just by doing a trick, like shaking hands or rolling over. And if that doesn't work, I can always plead with them. When they eat chicken, they always give the bones to me. They must really like me to give me their delicious bones. Most of the time, it's not that bad. I have a nice big pillow to sleep on. My owners treat me well, and I finally figured out how to beat the boredom during the day. My paws don't work so well for opening doors, but they're just the right size for using the remote control. Okay, go ahead and turn the page, and we are going to answer 5 questions. So you'll want to pause the video after each question. Number 1. According to the narrator, why do humans think dogs have carefree lives? 2. Why can't the narrator open the door at his house? 3. Where would the narrator have taken the girl dog on their date? 4. What are some tricks the narrator knows? And 5. Where does the narrator sleep?